Pulsed electromagnetic frequency is a revolutionary healing technique that traces its roots back to the 1970s when the FDA approved its use for non-union bone fractures. Since then, it's developed, more research has uncovered some of the wider benefits that it can have on our health and well-being. For example, current studies have shown that PEMF therapy can help improve bone healing, can enhance soft tissue injury repair, can help improve nerve regeneration, and can reduce inflammation. It's also been explored for its potential in treating certain chronic diseases, including fibromyalgia, arthritis, depression, and reducing chronic pain. And the mechanism by which PEMF therapy is able to stimulate healing is rooted in its ability to help stimulate deep cellular repair and recovery processes. And this is because the frequencies emitted by PEMF devices interact with our body's magnetic field and affect the behavior of our cells. And PEMF therapy is also believed to enhance ion flow across our cellular membranes via the activation of ion channels. And this is really important for conditions like pain and excessive inflammation. So PEMF therapy helps to rebalance our body's disrupted electromagnetic fields, thereby enhancing the body's natural ability to heal itself. New research is coming out about PEMF therapy all the time, and we've got several sections about it on our website. So if you're interested in learning more, check out our website in our bio and find out more.